Hi everybody, it's Steven here for the Idiot Quilter, and this is just a little quick video to show you my new toy. Yes, I bought another sewing machine. Now, you're going to say to me, why do you have a third sewing machine? Okay, let me explain this. One, I love technology, and sewing machines are part of technology. But the other thing is, you know I have the Janome 15,000 Horizon, which is an excellent sewing machine, but it's also an embroidery machine. And oftentimes when I'm doing embroidery for something that I'm making, it can take up to a couple of hours to finish one piece. And so there you are, without a sewing machine. Now, my other sewing machine that I bought before the Janome 15,000, the 6700P, is actually upstairs in Walter's office because he's been using it because he's taken up quilting as well. So I wanted a machine that was just basically for piecing. I could be piecing some blocks together while the other machine is doing its embroidery. Also, I am planning to go on some retreats in the next year, and quite frankly, the Janome 15,000 is a heavy machine to be lugging around. It weighs almost 40 pounds. So, and it's large. It takes up a lot of space. So, if I'm going to go to a retreat or I'm going to go to a class where I really don't need the embroidery functions, and if all I'm going to be doing is basically piecing together blocks for a quilt, then this little machine will do all of that for me, and it only weighs about 12 pounds. So, considerable difference. Now, it's still a Janome, and it's a great little machine. It has 100 stitches. Let me flip this up. Has 100 decorative stitches on it, and sorry, glare. Yeah, it's a little better. And let me just turn it on. And there it is. It doesn't have a huge throat in it, which would make it difficult for quilting a full-size quilt, although I have seen videos where people have done it with only that size of throat. But I didn't buy it for quilting per se, a whole quilt. I bought it for piecing, for quick little sewing jobs when my other machine is busy, and as I said, to take it to retreats because it's so light. It's high quality in terms of, you know, it's got good what do you want to call it? Good machinery inside of it. It has a extended table that it came with. Here's a little sample. Just I was playing around with some of the decorative stitches, and you can see it does a fairly nice job. And yeah, I think it will be very valuable when I go off to a retreat somewhere. So now when I'm busy embroidering something and I want to do some make use of my time instead of just staring at the embroidery machine doing its thing, I can just turn around from my other sewing machine and go to this one, and away we go. Of course, you can see I've got it right next to the serger as well, so I'm really set up here for almost anything. Now, what was the cost of this machine, you may wonder? I got it at Ultimate Sewing, and Ultimate Sewing always has the best prices. So with tax, this machine cost me just slightly over $1,100. But you get what you pay for. I pulled out my old brother's sewing machine, my very first sewing machine, the other day to try it out, and that machine just sucks, really. It clunks, it flunks, it's just awkward to use and the whole bit. Of course, when I first bought it, and I bought it on a whim at Costco a couple of years ago for $189, I thought it was great because I had nothing to compare it to. But now I do. So that one sits on my shelf, and I don't know what I'm going to do with it. Maybe I could sell it to somebody. I don't know. Maybe I know somebody I could give it to. That might be all right, too. I could just give it away. I'll have to look into that. I have a friend that teaches in a school, and she teaches fashion arts and things like that. I'm wondering if she knows a student who's in need who might want a sewing machine. I might check that out. Anyways, I just thought I'd share my new toy with you, and I've also got the new video set up so I can move all around my sewing dungeon and show you lots of things later. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye for now.